and good morning. I am Murada K. Adams. Today, I'm going to present my final exam in graphics and visual computing. So what is graphic and visual computing? Graphic and visual computing is the field of computer science that focuses on creating, processing, and understanding visual content such as image, videos, animation, and 3D models using computer. So the graphics and visual computing, this is how to create or how to processing and understanding like an image, videos, and animation. So the importance in modern computing is help user understand complex data visually, enhance user experience UI or UX, used in almost all modern applications like apps, games, websites. So enable realistic simulation and visual communication. So the components of computer graphic system. So the components of computer graphic system, which is input devices, output devices, and processing unit. So the input devices is a hardware device used to enter data and commands into computer for creating graphics. So the input devices, they serve as a interface between the user and the system, enabling the input of instructors, design details, or raw materials needed for generating visual content. So the common example of input devices is keyboard. So a keyboard is an input device used to type text, numbers, and commands needed in graphic application. So it allows user to input labels, adjust setting like numerical values or dimension or color codes. Execute software commands via shortcut like CTR card A or yes like that, and type instructor that help create or modify visual content. So this is for the keyboard. This is a input devices. So next is mouse. So a mouse is a input device used to point, click, and draw object on the screen. So a mouse is the input device used to point or select or via clicking and draw object directly from computer screen. So it enables precise control over on-screen elements. For example, you can click to choose tools, graphic software, drag to move shape or image, or use it to sketch simple lines and forms. The other one is the scanner. A scanner is an one of input device. A scanner is convert a physical image, photographs, drawing, or documents into a digital format that can be stored, edited, or used in graphic application. So it captures visual data by analyzing light and dark areas or color of the physical item, then translate it into a pixel or computer in process. For example, in the scanner is artists might scan, hand draw, sketch, or refine them in a digital design. Software or business could scan printed brochure to adapt their graphics for online use. Next is the camera. Camera, this is a one input device. So camera it captured image or videos and input them into the computer. So, a camera captured the still image or a videos, then transfer this visual content into a computer, for use in graphic application. It records light and color data to create digital files that can be edited, integrated into design, or used as a raw material for video projects. So the example including the camera, this is a DSLRs, mirrorless, webcams, and smartphone cameras. They used to tasks like photographing products for marketing graphics, capturing footage for animated or video-based projects, or taking reference image for digital art. So this is the processing unit. The processing unit, we have the CPU and the GPU. So processing unit is responsible for handling calculation and processing data to create graphics. So this is the performing the calculation and processing all input data to generate graphics. It takes information from input device like cameras or scanner and software instruction that computes elements such as shapes, colors, textures, and 3D coordinate to create or modify visual content. So this is the CPU. So CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. The CPU controls the overall operation of the computer and process instruction for graphics. So the CPU um, the, the CPUs manage the computer's overall operation and process instruction related to graphics. It coordinates take across all system components like sending commands to input device, managing graphic software, workflows, and handling non-parallel calculations such as a logic-based operation for design tools or screen setup in 3D modeling. So while not specialized for heavy visual rendering, it acts the brain that ensure all graphics related process run smoothly. This is the CPU. So you can see this is the image of the CPU. So the next is the GPU. GPU is a graphic processing unit. The GPU is a specialized processor designed to handle graphics rendering and visual computation efficiently. So the GPU is designed specifically to handle graphics, rendering, and visual computation efficiency. Unlike the CPU, while excel at sequentially tasks, the GPU have thousands of smaller cores that works in parallel, making them idea for processing large amount of data needed for tasks like rendering high resolution, like image, animating, complex screen or display 3D models, or running graphic intense applications such as video games or professional design software. Today, let's talk about the output devices. Output devices. So the output devices display the process, graphic, and visual result of the computer. So we have three output devices. which is monitor, printer, projector. So the monitor is an output device that displays image, videos, and graphics on the screen. So the monitor is the primary way user view and interact with digital visual content with factors like resolution and refresh rate affecting image quality. So the printer that produce hard copies of image and document. So the printer, this is a produce physical hard copy version of image, document, or design useful for creating tangible materials like poster, brochure, or blueprint. So the projector, this is the display visual content onto large surface such as screen or walls, making it ideal for presentation, a movie screening, or showcase graphic to groups. So this is the projector is the making a screen of or walls to presentation. The visual computing versus traditional graphics. So the visual versus traditional graphics, the traditional graphics focus on creating, rendering, and displaying 2D or 3D visual content like the hand-draw pixel-based. So sa nakikita natin, may hand-draw dito. This is the hand draw. This is the hand draw. While this is the visual computing. This is the hand draw. This is hand draw to this is the traditional graphics that hand draw. So the visual computing goes beyond creation to include understanding the processing visual information as shown on the right, integrates technologies like computer vision. So when you see this is the visual computing, this is the visual computing, this is the AI. Wait. This is the AI that I underline. This is the visual computing, and the one and the this is the hand. What is the hand draw? This is the tradition graphics. So this is the application graphic and visual computing. So education, medicine, MR, education student with simulation software. So sa makikita natin, ito yung education, this is the student and this is the, he used to the software or nagko-computer sa. Then the second is medicine, the MR scan image. So, sa unang picture, this is the student. So, use with the simulation software to create interact visual learning tools. This helps a student understand complex concepts like scientific process or engineering design. Through realistic models, making learning more engaging and easier to graphs. So the second picture is medicine MRI scan image. So when you see this is the brain, when the second picture, this is the brain. So then the medicine enable processing and visualization of medical image data, such as MRI scans. This helps doctors analyze internal body structures, diagnose condition, and plan treatment with greater precision. This is the medicine. So last is entertainment, movie or video game screenshot. So the entertainment power that creation of visual for movie like CGI effects and video games including 3D environments, characters, and animation. It delivers immersive, high-quality experience for audience and player. So sir, when we see, this is the feature of entertainment movie or videos, this is the color code that apply the 3D graphics. Rendering and visualization. Rule of rendering. Rendering is the process of generating 2D image or animation from the 3D models using algorithm to simulate light, materials, and perspective. So, uh, the role of rendering used to simulate real-world properties like light behavior, material, texture, and spatial perspective, resulting in realistic or stylized visual. Well, for example, it used to create movie CGI or detailed architecture rendering. So the role of visualization. So the visualization, it focuses on translating complex data or abstract concept into a visual form to make them easy to understand. This could include charts for financial data, heat maps for medical scan, or diagrams for scientific theories, helping user identify patterns and insight that would be hard to spot in raw data. And that's all. Thank you.